everyone, and how are you all today? This is Azaz. I'll be sharing some simple, interesting yet delicious recipes with you. Today we are going to make cookie Nutella shake, and as the name says, it's a combination of rich chocolate Nutella with some crunchy, crummy chocolate chip cookies. So let's start with the recipe. We'll be adding milk, 200 ml cream. We are going to add 4 large scoops, or to be very precise, 400 ml of vanilla ice cream. The more the ice cream, the thicker your shake will be. We are going to blend it. Now I'm going to add Nutella, 3 full tablespoons of Nutella, and make sure you use room temperature Nutella because the colder one, it won't blend well. Blend once again. I'm going to break some chocolate cookies. These are double chocolate chip cookies. It's totally up to you if you take simple ones, but I'll advise to take crunchy, crummy cookies. Don't go for the ones with sweet, soft center because the chewy ones won't go well. I've taken 6 cookies. Add them to the jug and blend them really well, because this is going to make the texture. The shake is ready, but I'm going to garnish the glass with some melted Nutella. I like to do it the irregular way. It's totally up to you if you want to go symmetrical about it. We are just going to put some irregular strokes in it. Ideally, this glass should be kept in freezer for at least 15 minutes. But right now we are short of time, so we are just going to do it right away. थोड़ा सा edges पे भी. Doesn't have to be perfect because irregular looks nice. अगर freeze कर लेंगे पहले तो ये आसानी रहेगी कि it will stay at its place. So I'll say keep it in the freezer for 15 minutes. Actually, for the presentation, I'm going to use some whipped cream to top it. ये ऑप्शनल है, अगर आपको हैवी नहीं करना, whipped cream नहीं डालनी तो ना डालिए. And garnish with cherry. थोड़ी सी presentation के लिए while you are serving it. चॉकलेट चिप कुकीज़ हमारा मेन इंग्रेडिएंट है, सो बस उसको प्रेजेंटेशन में ऐसे ही दिखाने के लिए थोड़ा सा रख देते हैं. सो हियर यू गो गाइस, आवर cookie Nutella shake is ready. Hope you like it. Do make it at home because it's a very simple recipe. Even kids can whip it up, and believe me, your family is going to love it because mine absolutely did. Do give your feedback at One Platter YouTube channel. We'll be waiting. Allah Hafiz.